Welcome to my YouTube channel, a place where stories are not told to entertain you for a moment, but to wake you up for a lifetime. Because here we talk about real struggles, silent failures, and the invisible discipline it takes to achieve anything in life. And today's story is not about a hero born great. It is about an ordinary person who decided to stop lying to himself and start doing the uncomfortable work that most people avoid every single day. No one tells you this at the beginning, but the truth is that achieving anything meaningful in life does not start with motivation, confidence, or talent. It starts with a painful moment of honesty, a moment where you sit alone with yourself and finally admit that your life is not where you want it to be, not because the world is unfair, not because people are against you, but because you have been inconsistent, distracted, and afraid of committing fully to one direction. He was not special, not rich, not famous, and not gifted in any obvious way. He was just another person scrolling through his phone late at night, watching videos about success, listening to motivational speeches, saving quotes, liking posts, and telling himself that one day things would change, without realizing that one day never comes unless you force it to arrive through action. Every morning looked the same. The alarm rang. He snoozed it, his mind already tired before the day even began, his goals existing only as ideas in his head, not as actions in his routine. And deep down he knew that if his life continued like this for the next 5 years, nothing would change, except regret would grow heavier and excuses would become more creative. The problem was not lack of information, because he knew what to do. Wake up early, work consistently, learn skills, stay disciplined, avoid distractions, improve daily. The problem was that knowing feels productive, but doing feels painful, and most people choose comfort over growth without even realizing they are making that choice. One night, after wasting another full day, he didn't feel motivated. He felt tired of himself, tired of promising change and delivering nothing, tired of watching others move forward while he stayed stuck in the same place. And that was the night something shifted, not dramatically, not magically, but quietly, because he finally asked himself a dangerous question. What if my life is my responsibility, fully, without excuses? That question hurt, because it removed all escape routes. From that moment, he understood something most people never accept. Achieving anything is not about doing extraordinary things once. It is about doing ordinary things consistently when no one is watching, when no one is clapping, and when results are still invisible. The next morning, nothing felt different. The fear was still there. The laziness still whispered. The doubt still existed. But instead of waiting to feel ready, he acted while feeling unready, because he realized that readiness is a lie the mind uses to delay discomfort. He started small, painfully small, not because he lacked ambition, but because he finally respected the process. He chose one goal, not 10, one direction, not confusion, and one daily habit that directly supported that goal, even if it felt insignificant at first. This is where most people quit, because the early phase of achieving anything is boring, lonely, and unrewarding. There are no results to post, no success to celebrate, only repetition and faith in a process that has not yet proven itself. And that is exactly why it works, because only the serious stay. Days passed, then weeks, and although external results were slow, something internal began to change. His self-respect started to grow, because every day he kept a promise to himself, and that built a quiet confidence that no motivational video ever gave him. He failed many times, skipped days, felt weak, doubted the path, But instead of quitting completely like before, he returned faster because he understood that failure is not the opposite of success. Quitting is. Achieving anything, he realized, is not a straight line. It is a messy loop of effort, failure, learning, and recommitment. And the people who win are not the ones who never fall, but the ones who refuse to stay down. Slowly, the identity shifted. He stopped seeing himself as someone who wanted success and started seeing himself as someone who worked daily, regardless of mood. And identity change is the most powerful form of transformation, because when you change who you believe you are, your actions follow naturally. He stopped waiting for motivation and started relying on structure, because motivation is emotional and unreliable, but structure is boring and effective, and boring done daily beats exciting done occasionally every single time. This was only the beginning, not the success story yet, not the visible win, but the foundation, and without this foundation, nothing big ever stands.